Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Mini woodworking furniture has become a popular trend among hobbyists and entrepreneurs alike. These small, handcrafted pieces are not only charming and functional but also easy to create, making them perfect for beginners. Whether it's tiny tables, chairs, shelves, or decorative items, mini furniture requires less material and time compared to full-sized pieces. This affordability and simplicity open up a great opportunity for anyone looking to start a small business or earn extra income. By mastering simple woodworking techniques, you can produce a variety of mini furniture items that appeal to a wide range of customers, including collectors, children, and home decorators. Plus, these small projects can be completed quickly, allowing for rapid production and turnover. As a result, mini woodworking furniture is an excellent way to generate steady income with minimal investment. Starting a mini woodworking furniture business is quite accessible, especially if you have basic tools like saws, drills, sanders, and paint supplies. You don't need a large workshop or expensive equipment to get started. Many beginners find success by repurposing scrap wood or reclaimed materials, which reduces costs and adds a rustic, authentic charm to their products. The key is to focus on simple, functional designs that are easy to assemble and finish. With patience and creativity, you can develop a small product line, such as miniature plant stands, dollhouse furniture, or tiny storage units. These items are in demand for home decor, gifts, and collectibles. Starting small allows you to refine your skills, build a customer base, and gradually expand your offerings and profits. One of the main advantages of mini woodworking furniture is that it appeals to a broad market. Many people love decorating their homes with unique, handcrafted items that add personality and warmth. Miniature furniture makes excellent gifts for special occasions like birthdays, weddings, or housewarmings. Additionally, collectors and hobbyists seek out well-crafted miniatures for their displays or dollhouses. By targeting these niche markets, you can set competitive prices and establish a loyal customer base. Online platforms like Etsy, eBay, and social media are great channels to showcase and sell your products globally. Properly photographing your mini furniture and highlighting its craftsmanship can significantly boost sales. With a bit of marketing effort, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. Designing mini furniture that is simple yet attractive is crucial for success. Focus on clean lines, smooth finishes, and practical features. You can add decorative touches like paint, stains, or tiny accessories to enhance visual appeal. For example, painting miniature chairs in bright colors or adding tiny cushions makes them more attractive. Additionally, using eco-friendly or non-toxic paints can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Creating a variety of designs allows you to cater to different tastes and preferences. Don't forget to keep detailed plans and measurements for consistency. As your skills improve, you can experiment with more complex designs or themed collections. Remember, The key to making money is producing high-quality, appealing mini furniture efficiently and consistently. To maximize profits, consider diversifying your product range. Besides mini furniture, you can create related accessories like tiny picture frames, miniature planters, or decorative boxes. Seasonal items for holidays or special occasions can also boost sales. Creating themed collections or limited editions encourages repeat customers and collector interest. Additionally, offering DIY kits or woodworking plans can attract hobbyists who want to craft their own mini furniture. This diversification not only increases revenue streams but also helps stabilize income during slow periods. As your reputation grows, you can expand into custom orders tailored to individual preferences. Upselling complementary products or offering bundle deals can also enhance your overall profitability. The key is to remain creative and responsive to market trends and customer demands. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.